Hello. Hello, Simona.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My name is Simona Gentili from NUOVA Overlord Export Office, and here with me there is Mr. Giancarlo Trentella, NUOVA Overlord CEO.
Nice to meet you.
We are very happy to meet you through affiliate InTouch. We believe it's a great new opportunity for all of us. We would like to introduce our tannery through this presentation we are going to share with you now. Our tannery is located in Tuscany, in Santa Croce sull'Arno, and we have a warehouse in Milan too. Our company was founded in 1972, so we can say it was a pioneer in the leather industry.
Yeah, we can see your screen now. Yes, yeah, put it to the full screen.
Okay. Our tannery is located in Tuscany, in Santa Croce sull'Arno, and we have a warehouse in Milan too. Our company was founded in 1972, so we can say it was a pioneer in the leather district. We are specialized in the tannage of calf and bovine leather for leather goods, handbags, and footwear. For the luxury market and not only, combining artisan know-how with sophisticated technology, attention to the choice of raw material, and personally following all the phases of processing which characterize the Made in Italy brand. Our main prerogatives are the guarantee of long-lasting quality. For us, quality is very important. Continuous stylistic innovation, machinery suitable for safety of worker, seriousness and experience. We have been present on markets all over the world for 40 years. We pay great attention to the environment. The quality comes from monthly production of 40,000 square meters of leather, from the careful work of 26 employees, and from an accurate quality control system. Here you can see the picture of our last collection we presented at the Vinapelle exhibition in Milan. We have always participated in the most important fairs such as APLF in Hong Kong, London, New York, Tokyo, Paris, and of course Vinapelle in Milan. Surely some of you have met us. In our processes, both for metal-free and traditional tanning items, we have involved our entire supply chain in a rigid sustainability program. We have control of all processes and all chemical substance restrictions, guarantee customer skills with high environmental sustainability and traceability. As I say, environment is very important. So we create a metal-free collection. This is, for example, the picture of the metal-free collection we show at the Vinapelle. Here you can see two of our metal-free items. One is Crocco and the other is Nappa. They are made on calves, Italian domestic raw. We produce all our items of calf. Sparkling is a mirror effect item. It's made with a liquid laminate instead of oil, so it doesn't break and it's more ecological. Sparkling can be smooth or printed, as you can see. Okay. or made on plotter in various fantasy, as in this case. One of our strengths are the prints. We produce in many designs. We offer the maximum collaboration to the customer for the development of his own design, so they can be customized and patented. The articles presented so far are mainly for leather goods, although they can be used for footwear too. Nabuk is the classical item for shoes, but can be used for leather goods. This is produced on French rope and calves. Tufato is a very interesting item as it is double-faced. You can have the same color on the top and on the bottom or different color. So you can create sandals, eyeliner bags and belt and very nice small leather goods objects. Here is. Dover is mainly used for classical shoes, but can be used for leather goods too. In addition to size, we can produce our item on whole calves. If you need, please ask for information and we will let you know all the details. We have a warehouse in Milan where we offer stock service. For these items of stock service, there is no minimum order quantity and delivery is immediate. For other items of standard production, minimum order quantity is 50 square meters per color and delivery is 4 weeks about. Here are some pictures of our stock. As you can see, we have many colors. The items we keep is Sappiano. We keep in stock of 20 colors. It's made on calf, substance 1.4 or 1.6. The other article we have in stock is algae. We have 60 beautiful colors of algae. It's a very good quality item created in 1988 and it is one of our best sellers. Alpina mini franzi are other items we keep in stock and we have 40 colors available. You can see the color card closer to the prints. Then we have 40 colors of new RAM, that is the Napa item we keep in stock. If you want, you can follow us on our social, Instagram, Facebook, or visit our website profile and see our contact. We hope that our articles have been interesting. We have to choose some of them, but our range is much wider. We remain at your disposal for any further information and for one-to-one appointments, and we hope to hear from you soon.
Thank you, Simona. I think your company provides a very wide range of products. You offer a lot of different kind of leather article and different color. And now we have received some questions. The first one is, where did you import your high-end skin? Where did you import your raw material?
Raw material?
Yeah.
They come from Italy, from France, New Zealand.
Okay, so 3 main countries. Okay, so the next question is, what is the MOQ for your leather article? Minimum order quantity.
Minimum order quantity for stock service, there is no minimum order quantity, one skin per color, and for production, 50 meters.
Okay. So, and yeah, we received the question from India. So they asked, do you send sample to India shoes factory? Hello?
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, we got the question from India.
Yeah?
Do you send sample to India shoes factory?
Yes, of course. We have always worked worldwide, so there is no problem. We can send the samples all over the world and in India too.
Okay, so do you have any existing customer from India?
We have some customers in India, for some customers, yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you for the presentation. I think it's very good. Yeah. And then, yeah. So, yeah, if the buyer you would like to contact them, so you can click their showroom link and then, yeah, so contact them to make an appointment to have the one-to-one online meeting with them. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody.